In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from monday.com. Exporting data might sound like a task reserved for tech wizards, but I'm here to show you it's pretty straightforward and something you can do on your own regardless of your tech skill level. Whether you're looking to keep a backup of your data or need to analyze your monday.com information in another tool, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and detail. First things first, you need to navigate to the monday.com homepage. This is your command center where all your projects, workflows, and collaboration take place. It's important to start from here to ensure we're following the correct paths and selecting the right options throughout the process. Once you're comfortably situated on the monday.com homepage, take a moment to glance at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon, a small circular image that represents your account. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but what we're interested in is tucked away a bit deeper. So go ahead and click on your profile icon to proceed. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking your profile icon, look for the administration option. This might seem like a leap into the deep end considering we're just trying to export some data, but trust me, this is exactly where we need to be. The administration section is where all the back-end settings of your monday.com account reside, including the data export functionality we're after. After selecting administration, you'll find yourself in a new realm of settings and configurations, but there's no need to be overwhelmed. Your next step is simply to find and click on the account tab. This is where all account-specific information and settings are located, and it's the gateway to accessing the export options. With the account tab open, your next mission is to scroll down until you spot the export option. It might require a bit of scrolling, so keep a sharp eye. This is the final step before the actual export process begins, and it's designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their level of comfort with technology, can successfully export their data from monday.com. Upon clicking export, you'll be prompted with choices on exactly what data you'd like to export and how. This part of the process allows you to tailor the export to your specific needs, whether that be for backup purposes, to analyze your data externally, or any other reason you might have. Remember, the goal here is to make your data work for you outside of monday.com "S" environment in whatever way best supports your objectives. Throughout this process, it's crucial to consider the format in which you'll export your data. Different tasks might require different formats, so think ahead about how you plan to use this exported data. Also, take a moment to double check which data you're exporting. It's easy to accidentally select the wrong project or board, so a quick review can save you time and ensure you're working with the correct information. By carefully following these steps, you're not just performing a routine operation. You're empowering yourself and your team to leverage your monday.com data in new and impactful ways. Whether it's for reporting, presentation, or strategic planning, having your data in a portable format opens up a world of possibilities. And with that, you've successfully navigated the process of exporting data from monday.com. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with the platform's ins and outs, the more efficiently you can manage your projects and workflows. So take this knowledge, explore further, and continue finding ways to make monday.com work best for you and your team. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you maximize your productivity and efficiency with monday.com. See you in the next video.